I get sick and tired of doing the same shit over and over again. Like, that's kind of like very unique to me. I fucking hate looking in the mirror and seeing the same face every day for years and years, and I get tired of it. So I just wanted to share with you guys some different options for septum jewelry if you're tired of this shit. It was really hard actually to find these things. There just aren't a lot of people who make septum jewelry for stretched septums. There's not as much of a market. Most people could just go with the small gauges and then they quit. You know, they don't want that look, which is fair. Okay, so number one is the one I'm wearing right now. I like it because it's not too pointy. It's almost like a lotus or like a flower petal shape, right? And this is not like it's not very stretched. I believe it's 10 gauge. This is how it looks. I like it because it's like thick enough to provide that look of like a bigger septum ring. But I need a bigger septum because I got a big schnoz, as you can see. So I need a bigger septum that's not going to be completely dwarfed by my big ass, I was gonna say big ass monkey nostrils. I can say that because I'm black. Why do I act like this on my other channel? This is so fucking weird. Well, anyway, I ordered all of these from Etsy. This is from Body Clickers on Etsy. I believe this one is like a 14 or 16 gauge. I saw this septum design on a website for like $150 or something, and I was like, that's really wild that they're charging that much for a little piece of metal. I get it, like it takes time to forge these things and to mold them and all that, so I understand, but at the same time I was like, nah, fuck that. I'm not paying no damn near $200 for a piece of metal that's just gonna fall out in the shower and go down the drain. Anyway, so let's try this one on. This one, I don't really like when they look like this. I get that sometimes it's necessary, but like the part that goes in your nose is like the part that like is jagged. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I could probably like double up and put the other one in on top of this, fitting the aesthetic I have right at this moment. I don't like how it hangs low. I wish it was like that. The other one that was like almost $200, it looks like it goes up higher in your nose because the clicker part, instead of rounded, it's like a straight line across. It's like a bar instead of a hook. I like that. That looks better. Alright, let me just put this in to show you how thick my fucking septum is right now. This is I think it's a 4. This is how big my septum is stretched to. It's obviously unfortunate that I can't find any jewelry that kind of fits my aesthetic to the point where I'm gonna want to wear it every day, you know? Okay, last one. Oh, I'm gonna show my address. I believe this one's from Australia. Oh, just kidding, it's from India. Like, I cannot believe you just took these out of the package and put them straight in your nose. That is so... I'm reckless. I live on the edge. I don't give a fuck. I don't know how this is gonna look. This is probably the most different one. I know it's actually the gauge that my septum is stretched to. Here. Boop. Now this, I feel like this is gonna be hard. I feel like this is gonna be hard, y'all. It's not as pointy as I wanted it to be. Look. The tips are blunt. The septum tusk. This is so funny. It fits. It does fit, but it's just like, I gotta like roll it to get it like where I want it. This is the most like, I've never done a look like this before. I wish that the ends were sharper. If the ends were sharper, it'd be a different story, but they're like not sharp. So now I'm just like, ugh. I can probably like shave them down myself, honestly. Probably make them sharp enough. I don't hate it. It just would take me a second to get used to. This is the one I regularly have in my nose. But I don't hate it. I'm just tired of it. I don't hate it. I love it. It's all reliable. But like it hangs so low and I want to pierce my Medusa right here. I love these. I want to pierce my Medusa, but I can't with this hanging down because it's just gonna knock it and it's gonna be not symmetrical and it's gonna piss me off. And I got all of these from Etsy. I'll put the links in the description. But oh shit. It's this. Fuck. These two are the same. girth. They're the same girth. I feel like this is like a good middle ground because it doesn't hang so low that I can't see the top of my lip, and it's not so thin that it just gets dwarfed by my nose completely, and it's not so like, it doesn't hang so low that it's like distracting. And that there's like a bunch of space here. I hate when there's like a bunch of space right here. Anyway, this is like super detailed, and I'm sure everyone has clicked off the video by now, but I don't care. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.